YouTube, back with another POV. We got the guys out today, as you can see. Ooh. Yeah, out on a little cruise. Nothing too crazy, nothing too spectacular. If you haven't already though, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, turn on post notifications, because we are about to start uploading more and more. They got the sunroof. Go ahead and open that up a little bit. I really want to get the head mount though. It's alright though, we'll get all that down the line. Right now, we just gonna thug it out on the phone. I do plan on getting a camera though, sometime soon, within the next month or two for sure. Got to see how this, you know, if I'm liking the phone or not first, and then if I'm not, then, you know, we'll go get a camera, head mount, you know, stuff like that. But if, I mean, I don't feel nothing wrong with the phone. It's just POVs for right now till we start the vlogging. We'll get the vlogging for sure. We'll start the the vlogs and shit when I get the camera. I might for sure vlog off the phone though to start. Not too sure though yet. Ooh. Oh, look at the little doggy. Oh yeah, and comment down below what y'all want to see though. You want to see more daytime POVs, nighttime POVs, highway POVs, city POVs. Whichever one y'all want to see, however y'all want to see, just comment down below, let me know, because I'll bring it to you for sure. Who knows, it could be as soon as next video. You just never know, because I'm a small YouTuber, but you know, let's just try and see how this stuff goes. I don't know. Damn, this traffic just like but it is late though. Everybody just now getting off work. It is if it focuses, it is 4:29, as y'all can see. Just got the brakes put on. Just got my thermostat installed. I forgot. I had another POV drive recorded though, but I recorded it on my friend's phone, and he still haven't sent the fucking clips over. So, bro, slight touch. If you watching this, send me the damn clips so I can use them clips, bro, in the next video maybe, you know what I'm saying, or some filler or something, you know. Send me the clips, bro. Damn. But nah, right now we is probably gonna be cruising. Buddy up here with the white Scat, he just got off work, so his car's still cold. One behind us, we got another Scat. Things out, you know, something slight on a nice little Friday, on a muffler delete and catless mids. I am gonna keep my I'm gonna keep my mufflers. I'm gonna cut my resonators and get the catless mids, cause yeah. Oh, what the hell, they just hit their mirror. What the hell, YouTube? Oh my god, we got an accident, and they running too. They running. Oh shit. Oh shit, they running. No way. YouTube, what the fuck? You just caught an accident on camera. But they going that way, they don't got nothing to do with us. We going this way. We about to get on the highway, so the highway POV is about to come for sure in this video. As I said, if you haven't already, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all the socials. I will have some sort of pop-up somewhere on one of these sides. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, we coming with the content. You know, I want to come with the content that people want to see. So once again, let me know what all do y'all want to see on the channel. turn that shit down. Shit is cold. I'm gonna turn that up a little bit because it's a little cold day outside today. Woo, 57 here. So it's a colder day. We just had like 60s and stuff a couple days ago, and now it's back in I mean, we had 70s, 80s last week, and now we back in the 50s, transitioning back to that fall, winter sort of weather. Really not my time of the year. My time of the year is the summer or the spring, honestly. That's just what I prefer. I prefer it to be hot. I don't like the cold. Cold is not my friend. But you know, luckily I do have all these features to help me get through the cold, but you know, it's just not my thing, and being the cold. I don't do the cold. Yeah, we are driving an Eco though, so you know, nothing too crazy I'm expecting to happen, but if we do, hey, we'll hit that button and make that switch. Saying sunset POV, you know, nothing too crazy going on. So I go home and get my laptop, probably edit this video on my laptop, because it just look better, you know, be way better just edit it on my laptop using Sony Vegas. Yeah, all I need, really, I got everything else to edit and stuff. I've been wanting to do YouTube for a long time, but I just never really found time to do it. But really, it was just me procrastinating and finding excuses not to record when we do stuff like this on a daily. You know, we outside having a nice time, we young, enjoying our cars, you know, that's all it is. Woo. Yeah, we are back to back on that highway thing with it. Everybody's back to back. We got my boy 6.4 BJ. That's my guy, man. Got my boy Steve 392 Steve in front of me. I just go by Reese. I don't have numbers in my name or nothing like that. I just want to be Reese. Yeah. Calm POV in the ScatPack. Traffic today, which is like crazy, because normally this highway stay packed with traffic. Like, it's no escaping this. Normally at this time, at least it was last time, it was just traffic for no reason, no accidents, no nothing. Just had a bunch of people trying to use the bridge to go to a different place. But yeah. Cut up action for you. You know, we do get down and dirty in these things for sure. We just having a light day. Fresh brakes got me feeling different though. Oh my god, I really just need to get some new tires. After I get some new tires, it's really up. We out here in them things for sure. We moving. Don't slip though. We all keep up for sure. All keep up for sure. Don't get it twisted. We all keep up for sure. YouTube though, comment down below, what do you think about window louvers? Me personally, I feel like they kind of decent, but at the same time, I don't know, it's kind of, I'm 50-50 with it. Like, I would do it, but I don't know. Come on, man. Don't play with it. We moving like the fucking president. Back to back. similar, kind of. But yeah. Oh, and comment down below, what wheels should I get for my ScatPack? I was thinking of Daytona wheels. I really do like those. A lot of people have been commenting saying I should get 5 spokes. Well, just IRL, not really commenting as far as YouTube goes, but IRLs, they really are saying to go 5 spokes. I personally don't like 5 spokes. I feel like they played out. They're on everything that comes out, every 392 swapped Chrysler, every Hellcat swapped Chrysler, every ScatPack in general. Every Mopar has 5 spokes for some reason, and I don't know. I feel like they just didn't get a chance to, you know, be original with them. Everybody has them. I feel like I'd just be really following the leader if I got them. And I really like to be different. I really like the Daytona wheels more, though. Ooh, we got a C6 on the side of us over here lurking. See if we can get them to, you know. Ooh, this is white, too. Just, something about that white, man. Something about that white. Oh, yeah, also comment down below some wrap ideas. I want to get the car wrapped around the springtime, you know, back when it's hot again, you know, and the car is going to be out. Really not now, because I might put it up during the winter. I'll try and get some content during the winter with the car. If I can't, I can't. If I can, I'll try. But yeah, comment down below what you think. He got that pops. Now, both the people that I'm riding with both have modified exhaust. They don't have stock exhaust, so theirs sound way better than mine does. And I hate it for myself, but at the same time, it's all right, though, because it gives me time to record and make content on that, too. You know, get to hear the before and afters. I'm pretty sure y'all have heard it, though, other times, other YouTubers, you know, Hellcats, yada, yada, yada. You know, but I want to document my journey from beginning to end, honestly, with mine. Gas mileage, though. Normally we do not get good gas mileage, but I really told them I did not want to have to put any more gas in my car today, but I am gonna end up putting gas in her. I just would hate to put gas in her and then burn it up, but it's kind of what comes with having a car, though. You know, you kind of expect to have to get through those, though. We do get through those, YouTube. Do not sleep for a second. We do get through them gaps. There is never a time that we don't. Come on now. And like I said, fresh brakes just got put on her. Oh my Lord, it just stops so well now. No more squeaking. But you guys didn't get to hear that, though, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? You didn't have to listen. You didn't have to listen to that as long as I did. I think I went about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks with my brakes squeaking. Shout that I did the brakes before. I ain't gonna say no names, but they did not put the pins in here. They did not put the hardware here. They didn't do anything they were supposed to. But, you know what I'm saying? We got a nice little POV action, honestly. Really can't say nothing too bad about this video, honestly. We are just, once again, we all young, having fun in the cars. You know, being law-abiding citizens, though. We're not doing no hood rat, none of that. None of that. We be good on this channel, you know. But yeah, if anybody is looking to sponsor, anybody got those snorkels, I really want those light up snorkels bad, though. But the Hellcat, what I call this, because it does have a little whine to it when I do get on it, and it is in track. It does have a whine to it, and I just love the whine so much. It probably is my favorite feature. I do eventually want to do a Hellcat swap 300, though. That's yeah, I don't know. Ooh, we moving like fucking Jesus. We're getting it together. But yeah, what all did you guys do today? You know, leave some comments down below so I can read. I do read every comment. I will try to reply to every comment. Because once again, I'm just a regular person. You know what I'm saying? Just like you guys are. I just want to start my journey on YouTube first. So here we are. You know, I want to interact with my subscribers. I don't want it to feel like, you know, I'm just ignoring y'all or anything. I want to be fully engaged with my peoples. Anybody that supports me. I really got to find a name for you guys too, though. I don't really know what to do yet. What to call y'all yet. But, you know what I'm saying? Really, we just family. Everybody just family. Sorry, my hands a little dirty. I was working. I told y'all. Working, getting it together. But that really is the master mechanic in front of us. But, you know what I'm saying? I do auto body work. He does mechanical work. So it's a fair trade. You know what I'm saying? 50-50. You know, tomato. That is my guy. It's my brother, man. That also is my brother behind us. A couple more people that y'all don't see right now because they're not with us driving. But we'll get them on the channel one day. And some POVs, obviously. Some vlogs. Whatever we got going on, we'll get them. But yeah, comment down below if you like the video so far. What should I improve on? What should I do less of? You know, I don't know if I'm talking too much and not talking enough, or, you know, things of that nature. And my boy Duke Dennis would say. I'm probably gonna cut the camera here, honestly, and then pick it up when it's nighttime again, and you know what I'm saying, go from there.
Walk up on me, stun, slowly reach for my too big to go like pun. I'ma land one in the lung on